Today we're going to be cooking a very easy 4-ingredient dog treat recipe, and my pup Mags is going to help us out. I'm Danielle from the Slitero Farm, and welcome to our channel where we give you new content every week about how to be more self-sustainable, and one of those is cooking your own dog treats. So we're going to get to it. To kick things off for this recipe, we're going to grab our mixing bowl and we're going to add 1 egg here. Mags likes that egg. We're going to add 1 very ripe banana, so I have a real good ripe one here. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of your favorite peanut butter or your pup's favorite peanut butter. Oh, you like that, don't you? You're excited about these cookies. So I'm just going to do 3 healthy spoonfuls because we all know our dogs love peanut butter. Want to lick the spoon a little bit? The last ingredient here, our 4th ingredient, is going to be 1 cup of oats. Then we're going to take this mixture and mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. You're a very good helper, Mags. I'm gonna get some leverage up here.
Mags, how'd you like it? It was good?
This is a perfect consistency. So once you get a nice consistency, we're gonna go ahead and take our sheet pan, which I have right here. You're gonna make sure that you just spray it down so nothing sticks. Hey, Mags, it's not time for the treat yet. And then we're gonna take a spoon and just plop in some of the mixture. Try to fit in as many as we can. Now, once you've gone ahead and added them to your pan, we're gonna stick them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, and then they'll be ready for the pups.
"11 minutes later."
It's been around 12 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cookies from the oven and let's see what they look like. Ooh, they smell so good. It smells like a banana, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these cool, and then we're gonna give the pups a try. And the pups are very excited. Come here, come on, sit. Ooh. Well, these are definitely pup approved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely suggest trying this recipe at home. Have a good day. Bye. Hey.